Hello friends, in this video we're going to learn about how to find the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. We all know that an arithmetic progression looks like a1 plus d a1 plus 2d and so on. Now if we want to find the sum of these numbers, so basically we have to do this: a1 plus d plus a1 plus 2d plus so on. Right, so now if you want to find the formula for this, so there's a small derivation. Let me show you that derivation. So what happens here is we have Sn equal to the same thing that we've just written down, right? And in the second equation that is here, we are again writing the same thing but from right to left. So a1 plus d plus a1 plus 2d plus a1 plus 3d. So we are writing terms like that. So now if we add these equations together, we get 2Sn equal to a1 plus an, a1 plus an plus a1 plus an, okay, till a1 plus an. Now here we have all a1 plus ans, so this will be n times a1 plus an. So 2Sn equal to n times a1 plus an, and now the general formula will be Sn equal to n by 2. So here what we've done is we have sent this to, let me just zoom this for you. Right, so what we have done here is we have sent this 2 onto this side, right? So this becomes n by 2 a1 plus an. So what is a1? a1 is the first term and an is the last term in the arithmetic progression. Let me show you one rough example. So here say we have the numbers like 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 is 9. We want to find the sum of these four numbers, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to use this formula and do this. So here how many terms are there? 4 terms are there. So S4 is equal to, so 4 by 2, what is the first term here? 3, and what is the last term here? 9, right? 4 by 2 is 2, 3 plus 9 is 12, 2 plus 12 is 24, 2 into 12 is 24, right? Now let us add the terms here and check. 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21, 21 plus 3 is 24. So our formula is verified here, right? So what is the formula to find the sum of first n terms in an arithmetic progression? It is Sn equal to n by 2 into a1 plus an, right? So what is n? The number of terms in that particular arithmetic progression. Now let me show you one more example. Let me go down. Okay, so here we have find the sum of first 30 terms of the arithmetic sequence 8, 13. So this is the arithmetic sequence. Just a moment. Yeah, this is the problem here. Find the sum of the arithmetic sequence. So here what is first term? First term is 8. So first term is 8. What is common difference? Common difference is 13 minus 8. So D is 5. Then how many terms you want to find the sum of? You want to find the sum of first 30 terms. So n is equal to 30, right? So now what is the formula for the sum of n terms of a problem? It is Sn. But here we do not have the last term. We don't have the T38 term. Okay, we don't have T30 because we need an also. We need an also to find the solution. So what is T30? T30 is a plus 29d. Right. So here what is a? A is 8 plus 29 times 5. Okay. So 29 times 5. So we have done it here, and we have added 8. So A30 is how much? 153. So A30 is 153. So now we have A1, AN, N and D. So now we can find the sum of first 30 terms easily. So Sn equal to n by 2 into A1 plus An. S30 equal to 30 by 2. So let me just, so 30 by 2, 8 plus 153. Alright, so it is equal to 30 by 2 is 15, 153 plus 8 is 161. 15 into 161 equals 2445. See, here this became damn easy with the use of the sum of first n terms in an arithmetic progression. Otherwise we have to use the calculator and do everything. That's going to take a lot of time, right? So remember this formula. The formula is very simple. Sn equal to n by 2 into a1 plus an. Let me do one last formula for you. Well, one last problem for you. Okay, so here we have this problem. We have the sequence 5, 9, 13, 17, but we don't have the last term. So first we have to find the last term. So what is the last term? So A30 here. So again A30 equal to, what is the first term? 5 plus common difference 9 minus 5 is 4, and n minus 1 is 29. So here this will be 29. And write it here also. 5 plus 29 fourths is how much? 24 is 89, fourths 36. 80 plus 36 is 116. 121. Right. So what is the sum of first 30 terms? S30 equal to n by 2, 30 by 2. Okay, and A1, what is A1? A1 is 5. What is AN? 121. Okay, this is equal to 30 by 2 is 15. 121 plus 5 is 126. Right. So 15 6, 90. 15 2 is 30, 39. 15 1 is 15, 18. So this is the sum of first n terms of this given arithmetic sequence. I hope you understood the concept and you can do the rest of the problems on your own. Thank you and happy learning.